In this video I'll show you how to crochet this cute striped sweater. This sweater is very easy to make and even a beginner can make it. It took me 5 days to complete it. These are the materials I used for making this sweater: a 5mm crochet hook, tapestry needle, and around 320 grams of yarn. This sweater is made to measure, so you can easily make it according to your own size. I'm going to make 4 panels, 2 panels for the front and back and 2 for the sleeves. This is a bit oversized sweater, so I didn't measure from shoulder to shoulder. I measured the width from arm to arm, including few centimeters of the upper sleeves. This creates a drop shoulder oversized fit. Then I took the measurements for the sleeves from where I ended the measurement of the front panel. This is the sketch of the front and back panels. This panel has 5 stripes. All the stripes have same number of rows, that is 6. But the last stripe that is top of the panel, that makes the neck and shoulder, is having 5 rows. If you want to increase the length of the panel, you can add more rows in each stripe. Same goes for the sleeves. The top stripe of the sleeve panel is also having 5 rows. All of the panels are made with only one stitch. Now I will show you how I made that. Once you learn that, you can easily make your own sweater according to your own size and you can adjust it. I will show you the exact number of rows I made for my panels. I will also share the measurements of my sweater in the description box below. Start by making a slip knot like this. After making a slip knot, I am going to chain 14. Now yarn over and pull it through the loop on hook. Yarn over again and pull through the loop. This is chain 2. Make 12 more chains. The foundation chain should not be too tight. Now make a row of double crochet stitch. For making double crochet, yarn over 1 2 3 4, go into the 4th chain, yarn over, pull through the chain. Now 3 loops are on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is a double crochet stitch. Yarn over again, go into the next chain, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Make double crochet stitches till the end of the row. Also, if you are still here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, now count the stitches: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now chain 3 for the next row. Now turn your work. Now make DC into the second stitch, the one next to the chain 3 stitch. The number of stitches in each row should be same. The first row had 12 stitches, so the second one should also have the same number of stitches. Start every row with chain 3, make a stitch into the second stitch, and also make a last stitch into the chain 3 of the last row. I will make 4th row with the white color. Take white yarn and pull it through the loop on hook. Chain 1 to secure it, then chain 3 for the next row. Now the end of the yarn, this one, carry it along by making stitches. When you change color and you have a yarn end like this, carry it along and hide it in the next row. Otherwise you have to hide every yarn stand separately in the end. And also don't ever cut it without hiding it, because your whole work will be wasted then. Now for my sweater, for the front and back panel I had to chain 58, so the number of stitches were 56, and the number of rows in the front and back panels is 29. For the sleeves I had to chain 51, so the number of stitches were 49. The top stripe of the sleeves is also having 5 rows, that is one less than the rest of the stripes. Total number of rows is 29 for the sleeves. I am going to make 20 stitches from each side for this row. This is going to be my 27th row. After making 18 stitches, there will be a decrease stitch at 19th stitch. Now make a 19th stitch, and this is going to be a decrease stitch. For the decrease stitch, pull through 2 loops only, then make a next stitch, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through 3 loops. This is a decrease stitch. Chain 3 again, and now this row is going to have 19 stitches. Make regular stitches in this row without any decrease till the end. On the end of this row there will be a decrease. Now there will be a decrease in these two stitches. It has 20 stitches, 19 stitches and then 18 stitches. This is how front panel looks like. The back panel is also the same. Now it's time to sew the shoulders. Keep the right sides in and sew the shoulders using the same yarn. Sew the top of the stitches. Attach the sleeves now. Find the midpoint of the sleeve panel and attach it with the shoulder seam. Make sure that the number of stitches on both sides of the panels are same. Now I am going to make a row of single crochet stitches on the neck. Chain 1 after attaching the yarn. On the side of the shoulder rows, I'm going to make 1 or 2 single crochet stitches. For making single crochet, go into the stitch, yarn over pull through 2 loops. top of the stitches, make only one single crochet. Slip stitch the end after completing the round. Hide the yarn ends.